Okay, so let's talk about the quadratic formula. So when we have an equation in standard form, ax plus bx plus c, we have our three coefficients, a, b, and c. We're going to get rid of the x and the x squared. Those don't matter. And we're going to plug them into this equation. X equals opposite of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Remember the x squared, no, we just want the numbers. Okay? Now this little part underneath the square root is called the discriminant. Okay? And the discriminant can tell us things. So, if you do the discriminant and your number underneath the discriminant becomes positive, you have two solutions. Okay? If your discriminant equals 0, you have one solution. If your discriminant is a negative number, you have no real solutions. Now one thing, this negative sign is very important because if these are negative, this becomes positive. So it's very important that you look at this. So if we have an example here, solving the quadratic formula, so we have x squared plus 5x plus 4. What I do is take out my numbers, my coefficients. A is 1, if there's nothing there's understood 1. B is 5, C is 4. We plug them in. Okay? And we do the math. Okay, so we come up to x equals negative 5 plus 3, because that's plus the square root of 9 is 3, and negative over 2. Then negative 5 minus 3, because remember the square root is positive negative. So our x-intercepts become negative 1 and negative 4. So you must be very careful when you're doing the quadratic formula on the classwork and the homework.